Hey YouTube, so if you clicked on this video, I'm pretty sure you know I'm making some jerk salmon Rasta pasta today. Go ahead and keep watching. You never know, you might learn something.
Angel presidentials, Alexander Wayne. Lil Scotty Pippen, yeah, he got some player ways. But the way your shit hit me like dope, hit them J's.
Alright y'all, let's get into this good old recipe. I'm gonna first start off by seasoning my salmon with some Jamaican jerk seasoning. I'm taking my Adobe twist seasoning. It's basically like the same thing as the actual Adobe. It just has a little twist to it, I guess. I'm using some black pepper and a little bit of salt. And season, make sure you season both sides of the salmon, especially if you don't have the skin on it. Next, I'm going to take my Jamaican jerk seasoning, about 2 tablespoons. Now, if you don't really like hot, spicy food, I would suggest just 1 tablespoon. But it's your preference. And lastly, my browning, about a tablespoon of browning, and then we just want to get real messy with this.
Five rice elbow for the threat. Rap the gallon, nigga gon' throw up the set. I missed 42 with the perk set. Won't let them know none of my business. Won't let them know none of my business. No. Black truck with the sticks and stitch. My young niggas itching, ain't ready, that's for sure. Never ever slip up on my pimpin'. I can never slip up on my crippin'. No. Even as a young nigga taking care of my brothers, making sure we fresh head to toe.
Alright, now I'm just going to cut up my vegetables, and while I'm doing this, I already have my water boiling for my pasta.
Can't take turn nigga to a stick figure. Not satisfied till I get 6 times 6 figures. I ain't never seen a lemon like Percy Miller. Being on my chest, nigga, like a gorilla. Got the recipe for the kitchen up, do the dish. It's out of weed, backwood, I don't smoke switch. Nigga pop too many pills, thinking he a killer. Throw me in the while I come out with a chinchilla. Hit it with a vacuum sealer. I might fuck you a little bit, but I won't kiss her. I'ma just long nigga, then she blow me like a whistle. Let's get it. Came in from the bottom of the map, from the south side just to be exact. I'm on the dating with the garden crack. A little more than a late night snack. Wasn't first when I was telling them relax. Five rice elbow for the threat. Rap the gallon, nigga gon' throw up the set.
Now for our salmon, over medium-low heat, you want to melt a tablespoon of some olive oil and 2 tablespoons of some butter. And once that's melted, you then want to add in your salmon. Salmon doesn't cook long. I usually cook my salmon on each side for about 4 minutes. Y'all, if I haven't told y'all, salmon is my favorite thing to cook. Just so y'all know. Now, once that's done, using the same pan, I'm going to saute my garlic and onions for about 2 minutes. Don't burn your garlic. I'm not gonna burn them. And once that's done sauteing, I'm gonna saute my vegetables for another about 2 to 3 minutes. And then once that's done sauteing, you want to put your heat on simmer, because now we're going to add in our coconut milk and heavy cream.
MLK bitch. MLK bitch.
Sneaking and geeking my Louis V glasses. Serving my club and I'm sipping my lace. Fuck being broke, I'll get paid off your back. Step off in the trap and new bag. Bitch, she a baddie and she got a fatty. Feed her some S and she start to get nasty. If you want it, better send me a addy. Get aggravated, keep popping the addy.
And now this is my favorite part. After you done mixed in your coconut milk and heavy cream, I'm going to season my sauce. Please don't forget to season it. And of course, after you season, you always want to taste as you go. I'm using the same seasoning from before, the Jamaican jerk seasoning, my Adobe twist, some salt and pepper, and we gonna just whip this on up.
Shots on the Glock and the 50 drum. You skill school, but a young nigga would never find. Let a nigga do me in the dice, I bet it off. So when young nigga do better, you wanna raw. Nigga getting cheese and bread like Wawa. You don't want smoke, little nigga need Zaza. You don't want smoke, little nigga keep big five. Come back, mama walk around with a peak clock.
Now I'm gonna add in my cheese. I'm using some cheddar cheese. And that's pretty much it for our sauce.
Feed her some S and she start to get nasty. If you want it, better send me a addy. Get aggravated, keep popping the addy. Bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch. All I'm not station, I know why these little niggas mad. Carrots on carrots on carrots on.
See, now the consistency of your sauce should be creamy once you done added in your cheese. Now, after that, I'm just simply going to add in some thyme and some fresh parsley.
Still make a nigga get goes Danny fam. Trapping that bitch, man, I swear I can't stand. It won't fold and I can't put a rubber band on it. Truck full of drone, young nigga like a marching band. Oh, that nigga falling off like an avalanche. They ain't wanna give it to me, so I gotta take it in. In the kitchen front whipping, I remember vividly. Before he went to prison, show a young nigga the recipe. Until then rap shit, worry bad, sweet the family. I got some game and listen, that's why all the junkie love me. Wasn't fly, nigga back when I rockin' rugby.
Burn bitch, get on the carrot, take, call it burn B.
Sneaking and gigging my Louis V glasses. Soaking my Corbin on cinnamon lace.
Be sure to stir in all your pasta. And we are pretty much done. Go ahead and like this video right now. Share it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Like, this pasta is so bomb. It tastes and smells so good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And be on the lookout for more.
Hood, rich, MLK, bitch, bitch, bitch. MLK, bitch, 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 bitch.
Violins and shit, I fuck with it. When I ride, it's on me. And this ain't go for my homie. My dudes down bad, but they ain't know it. We tried our best not to show it. I'm in the same boat with you, gotta keep rolling. Script got a bitch in your deep throne. Pay attention to afford to stay focused. Tryna stop staying at my wrist, but it keep glowing. But it really mean nothing at the end of the day. Do it for homies, no longer here. I done busted like Jews at the X.